Good afternoon and welcome to the weekly weather briefing. Today is Monday, March 4th. Here's an overview of the week outlook. Cold temperatures will continue for another day, although the threat for the breezy winds and bitter cold wind chills will end. We'll be seeing the next storm system arrive Tuesday night into Wednesday. Light snow will persist into Thursday, and then a few snow showers lingering into Friday, followed by drier weather for the weekend. Temperatures will see a gradual warm up through midweek and then cool off by the end of the week, overall remaining below normal. Here's our forecast for low temperatures for tonight into Tuesday morning. This looks to be the last of the bitter cold temperatures, with single digits to low teens across the region. We will also be seeing those northeast winds weaken and the patchy and blowing and drifting snow coming to an end. The next winter storm will bring light snow to the Cascades and central Washington by Tuesday. The snow will become more widespread on Wednesday and Wednesday night, and then decrease to showers on Thursday. This looks to be a slow evolving light snow event, and the main impacts will be travel related, with slick travel possible overnight into the morning hours and snow melting off the roadways during the afternoon. We'll also be seeing afternoon temperatures rising above freezing Wednesday and Thursday, especially across southeast Washington, the Palouse, and the southern Panhandle. Here is our current total snow amounts forecast across the region. This will be that late Tuesday night through Thursday time frame, with mostly 1 to 2 inches and locally higher amounts in the mountains. Wintry mix is possible with this storm, especially across the Palouse, the Elsie, and Clearwater valleys, as with a small chance of freezing rain and light ice accumulations. The time frame for this looks to be late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before temperatures warm up and it switches over to rain. We've been busy calculating monthly snow totals from February, and this is our top 30 list. I know it's a lot of data, but the overarching theme is that there was at least 2 to up to 5 feet of snow that fell in just the month of February alone, and several snow records were broken for the month. And those were highlighted by the asterisks next to the numbers. So the big question remains, how long will this cold persist? The latest 8 to 14 day outlook still advertises below normal temperatures through March 17th, so at least another 2 weeks. But keep in mind, by mid-March in Spokane, the average highs are right around 50 degrees and the average lows are near 32. So the bitter cold looks like it's come to an end. But what we are going to be seeing as our gradual temperature rise is more of this freeze and thaw pattern as we go through the rest of the week and into next week. Anticipate an increase of temperatures swinging above freezing and dipping below freezing during the day and the night. This will lead to potential ice breakups on many of the streams and rivers and slick spots on roadways and sidewalks. Here's a map of the current snow cover across the region from the National Snow Analysis. And snow cover is widespread east of the Cascades, ranging from as low as about 2 inches in the lower Columbia Basin to over 2 feet or more in the northern valleys. And our mountain snowpack or snow water equivalent looks really good across the region, ranging from 75 to 100% of normal. There is a lot more snow and snow water equivalent down in southern Idaho compared to the northern Panhandle. Now, due to the amount of snow and cold gripping the region, many of the river gauges are experiencing ice issues. Most of the gauges are found in the northern valleys and higher valleys of the Cascades and Idaho Panhandle. So beware of these readings on the River Forecast Center page, and the list of these gauges is listed on this slide. Also, if you hear or observe any ice issues or ice jamming on streams and rivers, please pass it on to the National Weather Service. The outlook for March, which was just updated last week, continues the trend of colder than normal temperatures across the region, with precipitation chances right around normal. And based on the cold, snow, and gradual warm-up, the Northwest River Forecast Center updated their peak flow percentages for the inland Northwest, and the flood potential looks average to below average, with the majority of gauges near 55 to 75% of reaching the peak flows this spring. But keep in mind that this is for main stem rivers, and any rapid warm-ups or heavy rain in the distant future may cause some fast rises on some of these smaller streams or rivers. So that's what we have for this week. Stay informed. Check and updated our forecast on weather.gov/Spokane and check us out on social media. Thank you for joining.